What's up, guys? This is Gwen from Shenzhen. So today I just want to explain to you guys how to install this frame separator. So this frame separator is for the for iPhone X series. So I'm gonna get a blade to teach you guys how to install it. So this is the packing. We're gonna have this is the carton box. We're gonna have the foam here, and we're gonna also have the protection. I guess call this the protection. So I'm gonna use a blade. So this is the blade. We're gonna. So we receive it. You're gonna receive it like this. I'm gonna hold the camera to let you guys see like clearly. So this is the because today my camera guy is busy, so I'm gonna be here working alone to let you guys see very clearly how we install this. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. So this is the cable. This is for European cable. And this is the this is all the tools. This is all the tools and all the screws here. So I'm gonna leave it here inside. Oh, sorry. And this is the protection. This is also the. This is the mold. This is the mold. So this is the mode for the XS. This is for XS Max. And this is the blade. This is the blade. So I'm gonna wear a glove to show you guys how to. Lee! Hey, come over here, man. Yeah? Okay, I get a helper here. My guys are here, so I'm gonna also just this. Okay, you install the machine, so I'm gonna stand here like film. Yes, you install it. Yes, yes. So this is the so this part we have to firstly remember here. So this is outside, this here, this is outside, and all the screws here, those are in the back. So this is the screw. Okay, go ahead.不要离太近。So this is the long one, right? I mean, let me check it. So this is the long one. Check. So the long one on full, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 pieces. And this one, those two is like here. And then this one. Okay, check. That one is a little bit, yeah, let's do like this. It's better. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So the screwdriver, we already gave it to you guys. Okay, I will do this. It's okay. From this side, it's easier. Okay. How many screws? 有几个？
4个。
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 pieces. 4 pieces. So 1, 2, 3. 1 is already here. 2, another 2 here. The 1 is here. Remember 1, 2, 3 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4 pieces. So there are like 4 longer one. Like we have a 4 longer one. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 short one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So like 8 screws. So after that we can have this one's here, right? Okay. So this, remember there is like there are, I guess call this here. You see this? So you put it here. There is a, do we have a screw here? So you have to tie. First, you have to loosen the screw. 钥匙这个在里面是吧？对。So first, need to loosen the screw. So when you put inside, then you tighten it. So there is another one. This one is here. So the same thing. So firstly, you like loosen here. Remember here. So we have 2 like rulers. Remember, one is here, one is here, like 1 or 2 pieces. Okay, but remember, so first the screw is already inside. Firstly, you have to like loosen. You loosen it, then you like tighten it. So this one is the same thing. Loosen it first, then you tighten it. So now, like this is ready. So this is ready. So when you use the mode, you do like you're using the. So this is the mode. This is for X. If you want to make like a further, you can use this one to make it further, lower. So this is like you want to make another side further, so use here. So it'll be like upper and the lower. You use the one on the top. Use one on the top. So this is for lower and upper. So this is one for like a little bit further, a little bit back. Okay, so back and forth. So you're gonna use that one. So I think this is very easy. And also you're gonna have like a few blade more. We have 2 modes here and 4 blades. And there is one thing when you like, because a lot of people when they're using, you see there is this is like it's like hot. It's like when you open it's like a red. But when you stop using it, you have to turn it off. You cannot leave the machine on for a long time. So in that case, you're gonna break the blade. So that's why we give you 4. But every time when you stop using this machine, when you stop cutting this frame, you switch off the machine. Okay, remember, I'm gonna repeat. As soon as you stop using this machine, you stop it, then you switch off the machine. Don't let this part like always on. You see it's like a red. So in that case, you're gonna burn, you're gonna break, because when it's in hot, it's very easy to break. You're gonna break the blade. So remember, when you stop using it, you switch it off. That's it, very easy. So I hope I have already explained to you guys how to install the machine. And if you have any more questions, and also you need to you want to know more about this machine, just contact us. And if you like this video, please leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching, and have a good day or have a good night. Bye.